Attorneys for the teenage squeegee worker accused of shooting Timothy Reynolds say the victim's family advocate is crossing the line. This after photos of the deadly encounter were released yesterday. The pictures show part of the altercation Reynolds had with squeegee workers in July, along with the book bag and gun used. Thiru Vignarajah says it's evidence that helps prove the crime was not committed in self-defense, but was intentional. Today, defense attorney J. Wendell Gordon disputed that claim, insisting Reynolds' blood alcohol level was well above the legal limit at 0.10, directly conflicting with Vignarajah's claim that it was 0.03.
It should be undisputed to a learned attorney that Mr. Reynolds' blood alcohol content was a 0.10. The 0.110 alcohol content was found in the vitreous, and that is one of the most accurate determiners of blood alcohol content.
The defense team also taking issue with the victim's family advocate's account of how many people were hit by the bat.
He made the assertion that we misrepresented the fact that at least one child was hit with a bat. It is very clear that there is an eyewitness, in fact two, who would testify that Mr. Reynolds hit one of the children with a bat.
Gordon also talked about the gun used.
I will say this about the gun. My client's DNA is not on it. My client's fingerprints are not on it. And quite frankly, based upon the information that's been put out to the media, y'all all saw it. You can't tell who's doing the shooting in that video. At least I couldn't. I looked at it multiple times.
They say as a result of the document dump, one of the prosecutors involved has been removed from the case.
The information that Thiru Vignarajah has put out into the community is that it caused the line prosecutor to be removed from this case. The prosecutor that we were dealing with originally is no longer on this case.
And tomorrow's hearing is scheduled for 10 o'clock at the Baltimore City Juvenile Justice Center, and we are expecting both parties to speak after that proceeding. Reporting live in Baltimore, Kyrie Stewart, WBAL TV 11 News.
Kyrie, thank you very much. And Thiru Vignarajah is responding tonight saying in part, quote, "The victims are as entitled to the facts and evidence as the defense team is. It is the height of hypocrisy for defense attorneys who have peddled a fictionalized account of what happened to now complain that the truth is coming out again." That hearing is 10 o'clock tomorrow morning at the Juvenile Justice Center in downtown Baltimore.